Ako, totoo yan. Wala.
Relations sa Pogo and other
Wala ako. Wala
illegal drugs.
wala tayong pugo. Kaya nga namamatay ang mga tao dito dahil dyan sa illegal drugs. Pogo, that is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng Pogo? Alam mo maglaro ng Pogo?
So you're going to appear, Mayor,
Sa,
sa Congress?
well, if they will invite me, I just hope that they would ask educated questions.
How do you feel, Mayor, na yung mga pulis natin like Karma, De Leon, and other PNP, kinipisa, ngayon contempt sila mukhang hindi makaka-Christmas with their family dahil
They will have support and I'll